So today I am going to teach you the basics of Excel. So before starting the video, please press the like and subscribe buttons and press the bell icon uh, so that you get notified before I upload such video. So let's come to the Excel sheet. So in this Excel sheet you can see over here, this is the workbook. Okay, this whole thing is the workbook. These are the worksheets. Okay, now the workbook is the compilation of the worksheets. Okay, and here you can see the cells. Okay, and here you can see the cells. This is cell number G3, this is cell number E5, and so on. These are the rows. The vertical part are the rows and the horizontal part are the columns. Okay, these are the columns. Now coming to the data types. So we have four types of data types. First, what is data types? So whatever inputs we feed in a cell is known as data types. Okay, there are four types of data types. Number one, text. Number two, numerical. Number three, formulas. Number four, booleans. Text are by default left aligned. For example, okay, see it is being left aligned by default. Numerical are by default it is right aligned. So if we type for example, if we type this number, so see this is being right aligned by default. Okay, formulas are used for calculation. Okay, so for calculations you have to give you have to start with equal to or plus sign. Okay, uh, then only you will be able to compute uh, whatever you need to compute. Okay, so if I do equal to 2 plus 3, okay, then it is coming to 5. Okay, but if I remove this, see this is coming like this. So basically they are treating this as a text. Okay, so if you put equal to and then this number, then only they will be able to compute. Booleans, as you know, booleans means true or false. Okay, but in Excel true means 1 and false means 0. So suppose if I write this true over here, and if I select these cells and then into 1, so see this gives me answer of 1 because 1 into 1 is 1. But if I do here false, okay, see the answer is 0. Okay, because 1 into 0, 0. Okay, now coming into the components of formulas. So after entering equal to whatever you enter, after entering equal to whatever inputs you enter, that is known as components of formulas. Okay, uh, so we have four types of components of formulas. Number one is constants, number two is cell referencing, number three is functions, number four is operators. Okay, and we have three types of operators: mathematical, range, and logical. Okay, first, now coming into the constants. So constants are basically numericals as well as text. So if I write over here equal to and then suppose 30, so these are the constants. But if I write only 30 over here, then then also it is right aligned because it is number after all. But then here in Excel they will be treated as a numerical value which is a part of data types. Okay, and but since we but since we want the components of formulas. Okay, so for that we have to enter equal to sign before it, and then it will be treated as a constant. Okay, so likewise, if I were to enter the text, for text you have to enter after equal to, you have to give it in a double quotes. Okay, so suppose if I write over here ABC, okay, and then this, so see, these are coming to this. Okay, so they are being treated as a text. Okay, but if I remove suppose this double quotation, if I remove this, so see, these are coming like this. So basically so basically the Excel are considering this as a number. Okay, but we want this as a text. Okay, so for this we have to give in a double quotation. Okay, see, constants. Okay, so these are the constants, this and this. Now coming to the cell referencing. So cell referencing, basically it takes the inputs from one cell and throws out the output to another cell. Suppose if I give suppose here, if I write in, then suppose if I do the calculations over here. So let's suppose if I do let's suppose equal to, see, now the see now the answer, the so so now the answer has been are being seen us to us in this cell. Okay, basically they have taken the inputs from this and this cell and throws out the output to this cell. Okay, so these are the uh, so basically the Excel makes it easier for if we want to do multiple calculations. Okay, so 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 this can be done by the help of cell referencing. So in Excel this is uh, by this. Okay, now coming to the functions part. So basically we can also do multiplication via functions. So for that we have to enter equal to product. Okay, and then so you can see over here inside the bracket there is so these are called the intelligence. Okay, so basically the intelligence provides you the intelligence, that is what you have to enter inside the bracket. Okay, suppose if I enter this comma 5 and then see, now the answer is coming to 50. Okay, but suppose okay, and one more thing over here, we can also select this in a continuous format. Suppose if I select this, okay, and then bracket close, then also will give the same then also will get the same answer. Okay, now coming to the mathematical operator. So basically mathematical operator follows the Bodmas rule. Suppose if I do over here equal to 10 plus 5 multiplied this, uh, see, the answer is coming to this. Okay, so basically what they have done is so basically they have multiplied this first, and then they have added back, which we normally do in the BODMAS process. Okay, now coming to the logical operator. So logical operator, as you know, it is a less than sign. Okay, it is a greater than sign. Okay, it is a greater than equal to. Okay, it is the less than equal to, and so on. Okay, so why this is being named as a logical operator, coming to that. Okay, so since we are going to enter it after equal to sign, and then we are going to enter the less than or greater than or whatever we need to enter. Okay, so that's why this is are being named as a logical operator. Suppose uh, so suppose and one more thing, the in the logical operator the answer will be coming in a true or false manner. Okay, so suppose if I select these cells, suppose if I select these cells, okay, and then if I do this greater than this, So see, the answer are coming to true. But suppose if I do uh, this this less than this, the answer is false, because as we know, the 10 is not less than 5, but it is greater than 1, but it is greater than 5, so that's why the answer are coming to what? False. Okay. So this is the logical operator. Now coming to the range operator. So the range operator, basically what it does is, basically it separates the two cells. Okay. uh, uh, so let's suppose if I am entering the functions of a product. Okay. And then if I do this comma this. Okay. So as you can see, this comma part is, it is a range operator. Okay. And then if I do this bracket close, and so the answer is coming to 50, because we have done 10 into 5. Okay. um, okay. So we can also do it is in a continuous format. So suppose if I select both these cells, so as you can see, this semicolon, it is a range operator. Okay. And why it is so a range operator? Because after all we are entering equal to, after equal to sign, we are feeding the functions. Okay. uh, and then and then after that we are separating the cells. Okay. So this semicolon part is it is a range operator. Okay. So so for today, this much only. And if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, and soon we'll appear with another such video.